Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will cook for you lazy lavash pie. These ingredients are needed for this dish. Cut the sausage into thin slices. Grate cheese. Cut the tomato into thin slices. You need to salt, pepper and shake the eggs with a fork. Cut off some butter. Heat some butter in a preheated frying pan. Reduce heat to low and pour out half of the eggs. Put lavash on top. Put half of the sausage on lavash. Sprinkle with a third of the cheese. Top with a second round of lavash. Put the tomato slices on it. Sprinkle with another third of the cheese. Cover with the third round of lavash. Lay out the remaining sausage. Sprinkle with the remaining cheese. Cover with the fourth round of lavash. Pour the remaining egg on top. Cook covered over medium heat for about 5 minutes on both sides. Thank you for watching till the end. Please write your opinion in the comment and subscribe to learn more creative recipes.